Welcome back, Lathrop Leopards. Today we re-diving into a skill that every powerful problem solver needs, multiplying and dividing within 100. Let's break it down using the 5 Ws: the who, what, when, where, and wipe, with simple examples you can use right away. First, what is multiplying and dividing within 100? It's all about working with number facts to solve problems quickly. Multiplying is like adding groups of numbers together, super fast. For example, 6 times 7 is the same as adding 6 sevens together, which equals 42. Dividing is the opposite. It means splitting a big number into smaller equal groups. So if we have 81 and we divide it by 9, we get 9 equal groups. Think of it this way. Multiplying makes groups and dividing shares equally. When I say multiplying makes groups, you say groups. Multiplying makes groups. ... That's right. And when I say dividing shares equally, you say equally. Dividing shares equally. ... Perfect. So who uses this skill? The answer is everyone. Students, teachers, chefs, athletes, and even video game designers use multiplication and division all the time. Imagine a chef who just baked 48 delicious cupcakes. They need to put them on 8 trays with the same number on each tray. They would divide 48 by 8 to figure out that each tray gets 6 cupcakes. See? It's used in real jobs every single day. Next, when do we use this skill? We use it all the time, especially when we're working with numbers small enough to solve in our heads without a calculator. You might use it when you need to quickly figure out what 9 groups of 8 are, which is 72. Or if you need to evenly divide 60 pencils among 10 of your friends, you'd know each friend gets 6 pencils. When do we use it? Every day. You got it? And where does this skill show up? Pops up everywhere. In math class, during tests, when you're managing your allowance, cooking a recipe, or even following sports. For instance, if a soccer player scored 24 goals over 8 games, you can divide 24 by 8 to find out their average. That's 3 goals per game. It's a skill that helps you make sense of the world around you. Finally, let's talk about WHY. Why is multiplying and dividing within 100 so important? Because it builds your brain power and strengthens your number sense. Mastering these facts prepares you for more advanced math like fractions, decimals, and even algebra. It makes you a quicker, more confident problem solver in and out of school. Why do we learn it? To grow stronger and smarter? Absolutely. All right, let's do a quick practice round. I'll give you a problem, pause for a moment, and then we'll say the answer together. First one. 7 times 6 equals 42. Next up. 8 times 9 equals 72. One more. 54 divided by 6 equals 9. Awesome job, Leopards. To close out, let's stand tall and say our Lathrop Leopards creed together. I want to hear you loud and proud. Repeat after me. At Leopards, we learn. At Leopards, we lead. At Leopards, we care. At Leopards, we share. At Leopards, we draw. At Leopards, we grow. We are Lathrop Leopards, learning with love, leading with pride, caring with compassion, sharing with kindness, drawing with creativity, growing with courage, and shining with kindness every single day. Thank you for learning with us today. Remember, practicing your multiplication and division facts makes you a faster and more confident mathematician. Keep practicing, keep believing, and keep shining like the amazing Lathrop Leopards you are. See you in the next video.